Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into 3D printing or just getting started, you know that choosing the right filament can make or break your prints. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printer filaments of 2025, based on performance, reliability, and user feedback. Whether you're printing functional parts, prototypes, or artistic models, there's something here for everyone. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check those out if you see something you like. Now let's jump right in. Top 5 best 3D printer filament. 5. Sun2Create PETG filament. The Sun2Create 3D printer filament is a high-quality PEG material designed for precision and durability in 3D printing projects. With a diameter of 1.75 millimeters and a spool weight of 1 kilograms, 2.2 pounds, this filament offers excellent dimensional stability, minimal warping, and strong layer adhesion, making it ideal for creating functional parts and prototypes. PETG combines the strength and temperature resistance of ABS with the ease of printing found in PLA, resulting in smooth finishes and reliable performance across various 3D printers. Perfect for both hobbyists and professionals, the Sun2Create PETG filament ensures consistent extrusion and dependable results for all your creative and technical printing needs. 4. Geeetech 1.75mm PLA. Matte PLA. This PLA filament delivers a unique frosted texture, offering a low-key, mysterious finish that sets it apart from traditional glossy PLA. It enhances printed models with a more refined, eye-catching appearance. Easy to print. Just as user-friendly as regular PLA, it produces high-quality prints with sharp, clean details. Recommended extrusion nozzle temperature is 190 degrees to 220 degrees through 448 degrees Fair, and heated bed temperature is 50 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, 122 to 158 degrees Celsius. Dimensional accurate consistency. A 1 kilogram, 2.2 pound spool maintains a dimensional accuracy of 1.7503 millimeters, compatible with most FDM 3D printers. Vacuum packing. Filament is vacuum sealed with desiccant to keep moisture levels low. After opening, store in a dry, dust-free environment to avoid brittleness or nozzle clogging. Warranty. Not satisfied? Reach out to us and we'll promptly send a replacement. 3. JOPlay filament. The JOPTG 3D printer filament bundles offer high-quality, environmentally friendly filament, perfect for a wide range of 3D printing projects. Each spool contains 1.1 kilograms of 1.75 millimeter PEG filament with a tight dimensional accuracy of 0.02 millimeters, ensuring consistent, reliable results. Known for its excellent toughness and durability, PETG combines the ease of use of PLA with the strength of ABS, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. The filament features low shrinkage, vibrant color, high transparency, and outstanding gloss, along with resistance to acids, alkalis, and weathering. It wears well to print beds, resists warping, and maintains strong dimensional stability. Compatible with all FDM 3D printers, JOPTG is perfect for printing models, industrial parts, crafts, and signage, with zero bubble technology ensuring a smooth and flawless finish every time. PLA Silk. PLA metafilament is a high-performance, eco-friendly 3D printing material designed for fast, reliable printing across all FDM 3D printer models. With a consistent diameter of 1.75 × 0.02 millimeters and a recommended print temperature of 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, it offers high liquidity and low temperature processing, which reduces energy consumption and printer wear. The platform temperature range of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius and print speeds of 50 to 100 millimeters per second make it ideal for efficient, high-speed printing. PLA Meta stands out for its biodegradable nature, soft matte colors, low shrinkage, excellent rigidity and strength, and improved toughness compared to standard PLA. Its superior fluidity enhances print success rates, while its impact resistance ensures durability. This filament is suitable for printing a wide range of models, including crafts, art pieces, and industrial prototypes, making it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Each 1 kg spool has a net weight of 1 kg and a gross weight of 1.3 kg. 1. Kingroon PLA filament. The Kingroon 22 3D printer filament bundle offers 10 rolls of high-quality PETG or PLA filament, each weighing 1 kg with a 1.75 millimeter diameter, perfectly suited for most FDM 3D printers. Designed with eco-friendliness in mind, this filament boasts low odor and is made from non-toxic materials, making it a safer choice for home and professional use. With excellent toughness and minimal warping, it's ideal for producing durable, reliable prints across a wide range of applications. The mix of vibrant colors in the pack adds creative flexibility, allowing users to experiment with multicolor projects or stock up for long-term use. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this Kingroon filament set delivers both performance and value. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printer filaments of 2025. Whether you're printing functional parts, detailed models, or artistic creations, there's something here for every maker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and buyer's guides just like this. All the product links are down in the description, so check them out if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.